Good afternoon, it's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Networking, formerly Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men. Some of the advantages of attending and even joining our groups is that we currently have over 30 groups, and once you become a member you can go to all 30. We're soon to be launching another 30 shortly, and then after that we're going to be having another 30. So very soon, by March next year, more or less, we will have over 100 in the UK. So if you're interested in joining us or wanting to know when we're going to be meeting more fabulous people in your area, why not send me a little message. One of the big things is that lots of networking groups ask for a year up front. We never know what's going to happen in that year. So we have changed our membership to a monthly rolling contract, which starts from £17 a month, which is very little in the game of networking, and you get such great value from us. And but if something happens in life that means that you can't belong with us anymore, then that's fine too. But we don't want to take your money up front and then say, go on, just get on with it. So by paying monthly, it's our job to make sure that you're happy with your networking, with Fabulous Networking, and you're getting great value. So that's all I wanted to say today, is that we're working really hard behind the scenes to support you and to support your business. So I look forward to meeting you all very soon. Take care. Bye.